In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for UX design. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a clear, organized space to move from research to wireframes, prototypes, and testing all in one place. First, create a UX board. You can start a new board if you're beginning from scratch, or open an existing one if you're continuing a project. A dedicated board keeps all your UX work connected and easy to navigate. If you're starting fresh, a blank canvas gives you the freedom to structure your process the way you like. Keeping your board focused on a single project helps reduce clutter and makes it easier to maintain momentum as you move through your design stages. Next, set frames for the different UX stages: research, wireframes, prototypes, and testing. Frames are like sections or pages that organize your board. On the toolbar, select the Frame tool and draw a frame for each stage. Arrange them in the order you'll follow, left to right or top to bottom, so the board tells a clear story. Label each frame with the stage name so teammates can quickly find what they need. You can also adjust the size of each frame to match the amount of content it will hold. For example, research often needs more space for notes and findings, while a prototype frame might highlight key screens. Keeping consistent spacing and alignment makes your board faster to scan and more professional. Now, use UX templates to give yourself a head start. Click Templates, then search for UX-related options like wireframes, user flows, customer journey maps, or personas. These templates are designed to guide your thinking and save setup time. Drag the template you want onto the board and place it inside the appropriate frame. For example, put a persona template in the research frame to define your users, add a customer journey map to visualize pain points, bring in a user flow to map decisions and paths, and use wireframe templates to outline layouts before you design hi-fi screens. Replace placeholder text with your own content, remove any sections you don't need, and adjust colors or shapes to match your project. Templates are flexible. Treat them as a starting point rather than a rigid checklist. To wrap up, you created or opened a board, structured it with frames for each UX stage, and populated those frames with the right templates. With this setup, your UX process becomes clear, collaborative, and easy to maintain from kickoff to testing.